Today, I'll walk you through how we write a video script with and without AI. Writing a script may feel like it takes more time up front, but I found it actually saves time by eliminating mistakes and focusing your message. There's a free script template in the description. Check it out if you want to follow along. Let's get started. First, we need to consider our target audience. The template includes a few questions to help you get started. Today, we're creating a tutorial. I want this to be a high-level guide to video script writing. So I'll say my audience is people who have never written a video script. Next is the problem we're solving, which is something along the lines of how to write a script. I'll say, getting started writing a video script. Finally, we have our goal. I want my audience to be able to confidently walk away ready to write their own video script. The key takeaway here is that a great script depends on knowing your audience and what they need to be successful. Before you set out writing from scratch, did you know that Audiate can write and record your script for you? If you don't have Audiate, you can find a link for a free trial in the description. With Audiate open, click Generate and give it a prompt about the topic and the type of video you're making. Let's try adding the topic, how to write a script for video. Under Options, we select Create. Under Type, select Corporate and Business. Then, knowledge sharing. And for tone, we have a variety of options. For this script, I'll select friendly. Click Generate Script and watch the magic happen. If you're happy with the results, then you're done. Or you can edit as needed. But sometimes you just want to write it yourself. Back in the template, in the left column, we have some default ideas for what to show on screen during narration. You can change those as necessary. Our template begins and ends with the narrator on camera, with screen recording filling in the main parts of the video. You'll notice in our template that the narration starts with a simple introduction. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blank step by step. You can change it up to meet your needs, but we find it's best to keep your introduction short. Let your audience know what this video is about up front. From there, you can start scripting each scene. As you write, be sure to read the lines out loud. You would be surprised how often things look good on paper, but sound a little strange when spoken. Then, your script should be ready to review with your team. That's right. We always recommend getting your scripts reviewed before recording. If you're a team of one, it might be helpful to walk away from the script for a few minutes and then to come back and read it again. It's easier to rewrite a few lines than it is to redo a whole video. And there you have it. Now you've got the tools you need to get started on your own script. Let us know in the comments if there's anything we missed. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching.